Great to have you with us, and a big shout out going out to everybody listening this week, because it's going to be an exciting week. Moving back from Friday, we talk about politics, and of course that's very exciting with the political world heating up for the election. And then we look also at, on Thursday night, the arts world, and this week we're looking at movies. Last week we looked at culinary delights here in Palmerston North, and thanks very much, by the way, for everybody who got back to me from places like Zamora, Spain, telling me about the beautiful restaurants you have over there. Gee, it makes your mouth water. Wednesday night we're talking about the broadcasting world. That looks like fun once again, and this week we're talking about an interesting ruling by the judge in the John Banks trial. Luckily we've been following that trial on the broadcasting show, so this week with the judge ruling that TV3 shouldn't be TV3 have done something like a composite or a Photoshop of John Banks, and it's to do with making it appear as though he's eating something. So yeah, we just want to look at that and see properly what's going on there. Tuesday night, of course, we're looking at the environment, and this tomorrow night, and we'll be looking at Ruataniwha. In fact, I think Ruataniwha I'll keep as a roll-on. I just think that it's very important, and that point that I was trying to make last week, that the Environmental Court ruling on the Ruataniwha project in the Hawke's Bay and making the conditions very strict, I was saying that this is very good, because had that happened here in the Manawatu, with the Manawatu River, had the conditions been strict at the beginning, then we wouldn't be in the situation we're in now. And tonight, of course, I'll be talking about Rangitani historically. So you're with Peter Cleve here, great to be with you, and looking forward to your company this week.